In this tutorial, we are building a journey to add new Mailchimp subscribers as Hubspot contacts. So let's create this journey. Select Mailchimp as a trigger. Then choose New Subscriber as trigger event. Select the existing connection. Click on Link an Account. Next, select the list. Now in steps, we have to create Hubspot contact. For that, select Hubspot and select Create Contact as Action. Again, select the existing connection and link an account. Add fields using Mailchimp app data. We are now ready with our journey. Click on Save Changes and Start Journey. Now we will check the output. So go to Mailchimp. We will add a subscriber. So let's add a subscriber by filling in the required details. Select permissions and click on subscribe. Next, let's get back to our journey to check the execution. Yes, it is executed successfully. Let's go to Hubspot. We can see a new subscriber as new contact in Hubspot. So in this way, we can create an automation journey to add a new contact in Hubspot when a new subscriber is added in Mailchimp. I hope you like this video. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit Quickwork.